Animated presentations can make your slides feel more modern, professional, and engaging. Smooth transitions, motion effects, and dynamic layouts help keep viewers interested without needing advanced design skills. And with Gamma AI, creating animated presentations is much easier than traditional slide software. So in this guide, I'll show you how to make animated presentations with Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you enter the dashboard, start a new presentation project. Now create your slides using AI prompts or by building the presentation manually. So you can generate business slides, educational content, marketing presentations, or creative projects. One of the easiest ways to make animations look professional is starting with a clean modern theme and balanced design style. Gamma AI already includes responsive layouts and visual movement between sections. These built-in effects help presentations feel smoother automatically. And that's your full guide on how to make animated presentations with Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to create smoother, more modern presentations using AI-powered design tools.